In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your QuickBooks account with a bank account or credit card, a process that should take about 5 minutes. Let's get started by walking through each step to ensure your finances are seamlessly connected and effortlessly managed within QuickBooks. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, look for the option to sign in. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page where you'll choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. It's important to select the correct version to make sure everything syncs properly as we move forward. Next, you will need to enter your credentials. These are the details you use to access your QuickBooks account. Double check that your information is correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, hit continue. Now your dashboard should load, and from here we can start linking your bank accounts or credit cards. After logging in, navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. You can usually find this towards the top of your screen or in the main navigation panel. Selecting this tab will open up a new section where you can manage your financial accounts. It's the central hub for everything bank related in your QuickBooks settings. Look towards the top right corner of this page. You'll see a button labeled Link Account. Click on this button. This feature is designed to make the process of linking accounts straightforward and user-friendly by guiding you through a series of steps. Once you've selected Link Account, you'll be prompted to choose between linking a bank account or a credit card. Here, you'll need to enter your bank or credit card details. It's essential to have this information ready beforehand to ensure the process runs smoothly. Write down any relevant numbers or keep the necessary documents close at hand to prevent any potential delays. The next step is to log into your bank or credit card provider using the credentials for that account. This process is secure and ensures that QuickBooks can access your financial data to provide a seamless connection. QuickBooks uses this method to securely fetch your transaction data, ensuring your bookkeeping stays up to date without additional manual entries. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully linked your bank account or credit card to QuickBooks. This integration allows for a more streamlined financial management experience, ensuring that your accounts are always up to date with the latest transaction data. You can now enjoy the convenience of automated entries, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors associated with manual bookkeeping. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.